Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an authorization letter to claim money. What is an authorization letter to claim money? An authorization letter to claim is a written document that gives someone else the authority to collect or receive money, or check on your behalf. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an authorization letter to claim money step by step. Check this out. First of all, just like formal letters in general, you will need to write your information as a sender. Here, write your full name. Under it, write your home address. You need to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, you can write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, date, and year. In this case is October 1st, 2023. And now, you can write the details about the recipient. If it is personal, write the full name. If it is for a company or organization, just write the name of the company or organization. In this case, the letter is addressed to Palawan Express Padala. And write the address of the company or organization. You can mention the street name, city, state, and zip code. After completing these information, write a salutation. Since you have no idea about the name of the recipient, just write to whom it may concern. Or dear sir or madam. In the first paragraph, write directly that you want to give an authorization for someone. When you state this, you must mention your full name. And mention the person you want to give an authorization. Mention also your relationship with the person. In this case, the person is the wife of the writer. And write what kind of authorization that you want to give. In this example is to claim money. Write you give the authorization on your behalf. In the second sentence, write the name of the person and write what is allowed to do for the person. If you give an authorization to claim money, write the amount of it. In this example is $10,000. And write where the location of the money. You may mention the bank name or something. And write also the address of the bank. You don't have to write the full address, just mention the city and state. And write the time when the person will claim the money. You must write the month, date, and year. In this example, the person will claim the money on the same day the letter is written. And state clearly that you personally unable to claim the money. Therefore you ask a person to do so. And write the reason why you are unavailable. In this example is because the writer is sick. In the second paragraph, this is where you give proofs to make the process of money claiming works well. Here, write the full name of the person you give authority. And write that the person will present the identification card for the sake of verification. You must mention it here, it is a must. And besides the person's identification card, yours is needed too. Therefore, mention also that you will ask the person to present your ID card too for the proof. And of course you have to make sure that the representative of you really bring both ID cards in the process of money claiming. Without these two, the bank would reject it. In the third paragraph, offer the recipient to ask some questions or more information about this authorization letter. The bank may also need to identify your representative. Therefore, you must provide your personal contact information. You can give your phone number. And the last paragraph, thank the recipient for their consideration regarding this matter. Finally, close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an authorization letter to claim money step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.